Welcome to the packet journey. In this video, we're going to understand what a VLAN is and why organizations use VLANs to separate devices on a network. Let's get started. Imagine a company with three groups of users: human resources, finance, and guest Wi Fi users. Now, imagine all of them are connected to the same network. Would that be a good idea? Probably not. The HR department works with employee information. The finance department handles financial records. And guest users should only have internet access. Allowing all of these devices to communicate freely could create security and management challenges. This is where VLANs come in. VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. A VLAN allows network administrators to logically separate devices into different networks, even when those devices are connected to the same switches. Think of a VLAN as creating multiple smaller networks inside a larger network. Instead of placing everyone in the same group, devices can be organized based on their purpose. For example, VLAN 10 might be used for human resources. VLAN 20 might be used for finance. VLAN 30 might be used for guest Wi Fi. Even though all of these devices connect to the same physical infrastructure, they operate as separate networks. This improves security and control. A device in the guest VLAN cannot automatically communicate with devices in the finance VLAN. Traffic between VLANs usually requires routing and additional security policies. VLANs also help reduce unnecessary broadcast traffic and make networks easier to manage as they grow. That's why VLANs are commonly used in offices, schools, hospitals, and enterprise environments. You can think of a VLAN like different departments sharing the same office building. Everyone uses the same building, but each department has its own area and responsibilities. So, in summary, AV-LAN creates logical separation within a network. It allows organizations to improve security, organization, and control without requiring separate physical networks. In the next video, we'll compare access ports and trunk ports and understand how switches move traffic between VLANs. If you found this explanation useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the Packet Journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Packet Journey.